Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Okay, we are from Streamway Technologies Private Limited and we are delighted to announce that we are launching a new course on Gen AI and Agentic AI course. So currently this is the one of the important and demanded skill in the industry, correct? So market is looking for the candidates who are having these skills, who can build the AI capabilities on their existing businesses and who can build the applications using the AI. Correct? Yes. So as part of this course, so to follow this course, so you don't need to have any prerequisites. Okay, you don't need to have any knowledge on programming knowledge, like how does the software application work, what is AI, how does AI is impacting our careers. So you don't need to have any skills. So we will train from strong basics to the developing the AI applications by following the industry practices. Okay, so this is the complete roadmap, very high level roadmap for this course. Okay, so we will start with the foundations. We will start with the Python. Okay, so Python is the one of the most important and mandatory skill for any software professionals. Correct? Yes. So in the Python course, so we will build our logical thinking, problem solving, developing the automation scripts, okay, developing the small applications and how we can deploy into the internet. Okay, yes. Next we'll explore the Django. So Django is the web application framework. We can develop the simple web applications and later so we can integrate these web applications with our AI applications. Okay, yes. So Fast API. Fast API is the most important skill for current any AI technical stack. Okay, so with help of the Fast API, we can make a connection between the different applications like your UPI applications or payment gateways, correct? So from your phone pay or any UPI applications, how the bank will share the information, how the transactions will happen, how they will share the information. That kind of applications will build using the Fast API. And next we'll use this Fast API to build the APIs for the generating the AI applications and our existing applications. Okay, and next the most important skill for any software field, okay, for any software application, the heart of your software application, SQL database. Okay, so here we will learn what is the database, how we can organize the data into the database, how we can design the database, how we can provide the access to the databases to the multiple applications. Okay, and once we learn those concepts, so we will integrate all these skills together and we'll build one full life cycle of a software application. And we will deploy these applications into the internet using the tools like Git, Docker, Cloud and CI/CD pipelines. Okay, and next we will explore on the NumPy and Pandas. So these two are the libraries common for any data role. Okay, even if you wanted to become data engineer, data analyst or data scientist or any cybersecurity professional. Okay, so these two are the libraries mandatory for any working professionals and developing the any AI or any data level application. Okay, so next we will jump into the AI core. Okay, what is AI? How this AI is impacting our careers? Okay, so in the AI era, so if you wanted to survive in your into the software industry, so what are the skills required? Okay, so we'll explore machine learning, deep learning. We'll see complete life cycle of a machine learning application. Okay, next we'll see what is the data modeling, how this machine learning and deep learning applications are working, how they are using this data. Okay, how we can pass our data from our databases to the AI applications. We'll see all those things. Next we'll see transformers. Okay, all your ChatGPT, LLMs, Anthropics, okay, Claude, for all these models, so transformer is the brain and heart. Okay, so how this transformer works, okay, what is the architecture of transformers, how the LLM tools work with the transformer. So we will see all those details. Next we will enter into the generative AI application. Okay, so here we will see what is LLM. Okay, what is tokens, what is embedding, how does it work. Next we will see prompt engineering. Next we will explore on the LangChain framework, how we can connect to the multiple applications, how we can develop the LLMs using the LangChain framework. Next important, vector databases. So all your AI applications uses the vector databases. So how we can develop the vector databases and how we can connect with the AI applications. Next, the most important and currently demanded skill, agents. Correct? How we can build the agents. Agents are nothing but developers or things. Okay, so with the help of agents we can build the Gen AI applications, okay, and Agentic AI applications, okay. And next, long graph. Next we'll build, once we develop the applications using this technical stack, so how we can deploy using the AI operations, okay. Next, RAG, the most important skill, to get the real-time data and to train the real-time data to the LLMs, so RAG, okay. Next, so these are the tools that we can cover in this course, okay. So if you want more information on this topic, if you wanted to see complete details of this course and duration, what kind of applications you will build, okay, so we provided the support team details in the description. You can contact them and you will get all the details of the course. So that's all for this video, and thank you.